Hey my loves, what's up and welcome back to the Trend Diaries. You're listening to Nidhi, and in today's video I'll be doing one brand makeup tutorial from MAC Cosmetics. I hope you guys enjoy watching this simple makeup tutorial. So for priming my face I am using MAC Fix Plus. So I'm not using any primer but a liquid primer here today, and for my foundation I'm using the Studio Fix Fluid Foundation and this shade is NC42. Now this used to match me earlier, but thanks to the lockdown that now this shade is slightly yellow for me and this one does oxidize. So after oxidation it does look quite a bit orange, which is completely a mismatch for my skin tone. So what I do is use a very contrast lighter shade of concealer to balance out the yellowness of this foundation. So I just layered this foundation on my cheek area to cover up the acne marks that I have, and as you can see this foundation is medium to buildable coverage and looks very beautiful on the skin. For my concealer I'm using the 24-hour Studio Fix concealer, and this one is in the shade NC35. Again a very bright yellow toned concealer, and as I said I would be using a very contrast lighter shade just so as to cancel the yellowness of the foundation so that it then looks nicely apt for my skin tone. So I applied it in the centers of my face and underneath my eyes, and then used a damp beauty sponge to blend the concealer out. So as you can see over here, initially it does look quite weird, but again it's just the process of blending and then it also settles down and slightly oxidizes, so it does look good later. So blending is the key, don't forget that. Then to set my face I'm using the Studio Fix powder foundation, and this one is in the shade NC40. So I would leave all of the product links in the description box, you can check that out just in case I forget to mention any. And I used a fluffy brush to powder my face. So as you can see I'm not swirling the brush but I'm patting it through. So lips and also on my jawline. So yeah, basically the areas that I like to bronze every time, so I just did that. For my blush I'm using this beautiful color. I think this one was I don't remember the shade. I would have the shade name and the link to this product linked in the description, you can check that out. So once the powder blush is done I'm using this beautiful baked highlighter. I think this is Soft and Gentle, so I use this one, and I'm using the Pro Art fan brush over here. So as you can see it is very blinding, but I feel this is too silvery for my skin tone. I don't know, but let me know if you have this highlighter and your thoughts on it. Does this have that outer film that doesn't make it that glowy? Because I've seen makeup artists using this and it just looks so glowy on the clients when they do. So let me know if you have it. But yes, once that is done I again set my face by misting the Fix Plus. I just love doing this because it just merges all of the layers and makes it look so natural. Then I added loads of their 3D black mascara to my upper and bottom lashes. It's a very good mascara. It does not clump up my lash and just gives them that nice length. That is what I've noticed personally, and it's pretty black, so I really like this mascara from MAC. And yeah, once that is done, I used it to do my lower lashes, and I also used the same mascara on my eyebrow hair. So I think I do not have any brow gel from them, so I just used the same mascara very lightly and brushed through my eyebrow. Then for my lipstick, I'm using the Retro Matte Liquid Lip color. This is in the color Topped with Brandy, a very beautiful, unique color is what I would say. It's a cool toned plum purple shade and looks very stunning from medium to deep skin tones. This shade is gonna make you stand out in the crowd. It is that kind of color. So I just applied it. Again, a matte formula, comfortable, not at all sticky. I loved it. So yes, that's basically all that I did for this simple makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this, and let me know in the comments what do you think about this look, and any other product that you want me to test out in makeup tutorials or want to see them working in action. Let me know. I would do that for you. And thanks a ton for all the love and wishes for me and Nikhil. I love you guys so much. I would meet you soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Namaste. Keep trending. Be safe. I would have all the products linked in the description. Till then, take care. Namaste and bye bye.